big rip on Friday. It's just been bouncing around there.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh. Yeah, it's we just can't figure out if they want to go higher or lower right now. We're trading 66, 64 in the ES. Right off the opening bell there in the New York session, did pop up to 66.86, and sellers did jump in. Same story with the NASDAQ. 150-point pop off the bell in the NQ session highs. And we're only about 15 minutes in this New York session. Popped up 24,722.
So now in the Mag 7, we got Microsoft down a smidge as well as NVIDIA. Meta showing some life, trading above 600, up 1.6%.
Hey.
Is there any news on Broadcom, or is it just
not seeing anything? Not seeing much
just
news.
Pumping. Yeah.
Just pumping?
President Xi, China's President Xi hitting the wire. Don't see this very often. Speaking to Trump, President Xi to Trump, both sides should expand the list of cooperation, China and U.S. relations, and maintain positive momentum. We should strive for more progress in bilateral ties. President Xi, President China, hitting the wire, speaking to President Trump. You don't see this very often. Trying to, hey, President Trump, we could use those NVIDIA chips. We'll talk nice. We got a gold turned around there. 40.74. It bottomed out about $10 lower about 5 minutes ago. Right now, a bit of a holding pattern.
I added another MNQ, another. So I'm in 3 at 642.
3 from 642. Did start. She's got short with 3 shaved 1 for a winner. We got her 50-50 on that tilt. Keep an eye on these. Gold not done. Gold's not going one way or another. Gold trading 40.74. Yo, hey, you know what? You're right. It's scarf and barf. We thought we had a scarf and barf on the table here. But it's scarfed. And market's scarfed, but I'm not sure it barfed. Might be scarfing higher here.
Scarf and barfing. Broadcom's up 7.5, almost 8%.
Broadcom is scarfing right now. 24,685 in the NQ. ES 66.68.
I took another one off here at 84.
That's a good fill. Now we're back in the 60s.
This market is volatile.
I don't know how Hope keeps up with you guys. I'm writing these positions down.
Chicken scratch. Just a lot of chicken scratch.
Yeah.
You're going to add one at 68, take one off at 63, add another one. I'm joking.
I'm messing with you, Jack.
No,
brutal.
I'm just gonna take the vague idea of these trades. We're gonna take the vibes of them.
One long, one short. MBT looking a little heavy here. MBT trade 85,005. Oh, now it's about to make some new lows. 85,000.
Okay, I'm flat. I'm flat. Plus 346. Flat plus 346.
Nice trade. ES taking a peek, pretty much gave back that entire pop off that opening bell. And looking at the new session lows in the ES, 66.54. 30 points away from overnight lows in the ES. 66.25 would be that price.
I think I'm saying
NVIDIA's selling off here.
The general feeling of this whole market will be this week, where half the people are saying this is going to the moon, like all-time highs by Friday, and half the people are saying it's going to crash.
I like it.
I'm covering in the 580s. Getting some pretty good exits out of there.
Both sides making money, Jack. Both sides making money.
Opposite
Same
positions.
thing as last week. Didn't flinch. I mean, it they lets it go. 250 points out of the open is no joke, right? But it just has so much trouble, like getting that first dip just isn't one to get bought. Sets kind of a weak range, continues trying to test the low, and then eventually just cracks. And now we're almost in the overnight range. I'm just gonna leave this last one on into the 560s.
Look at this thing go. MBT new lows. ES looking at about a 40-point sell-off in the last 10 minutes or so.
Bitcoin.
What was that?
I want to see Bitcoin to 50.
Man.
You want to see $50 or 50K?
Ooh. Yeah, 50K. And all weekend, all I see is everyone's buying Bitcoin here. Everyone's adding. Everyone's buying this. I'm like, come on.
Yeah, it's not time, right?
I've seen a lot of nerves almost on it.
Oh, yeah, there was.
It just feels at some point it's got to test that mid 70K range where we got to see what happens, right? If we hit the MicroStrategy break-even point.
Where is the gap? Yes, there was a gap on the reopen on Sunday. What were those prices? You'll fill that thing. Was it filled in the NQ? Looks like it got close. I'm not sure if it quite filled it. I'll get that for you here in a bit. But right now, markets are still moving. The gap opened higher, I believe, on that reopen. And buyers turned it right around here in the ES. 66.60. My goodness, about 15. Wow.
Yeah, I was hoping. Wow.
I was right.
You out?
Yeah, just a runner got stopped out. I'm up 220 right now.
Nice job. Gold, big pop now. Gold buyers in the house. 40.80. 40.81s now in gold. And you blink and there's a market moving on you.
NVIDIA was down 1%. We're now making a run back up.
Gold's about a $15 pop here. Yes, it is thin. Markets are moving. Is everyone flat right now?
Yes.
Yeah,
I am.
Nice trading. Okay, good job.
So people wondering about NVIDIA, Dakota and I had some fun on the at the buzzer that day. As people look deeper into the earnings report, it's, the whole stock market is based on feelings about the future pretty much. And there were some things in that report you could latch onto if you were bearish or wanted to pare down the position. Big increase in their accounts receivable. It kind of feeds into the narrative that's been going this whole last couple of weeks of like, wait, we used to cheer all these circular financing deals. Now we're thinking, well, let's think a little bit. As a reminder, the first ever $1 trillion publicly traded company was Apple in 2018, and NVIDIA was worth $5 trillion in 2025.
You know what they say, Jack? It's that first trillion. That's the hardest to make. And once you get past that, then it's easy from there.
You get passive income.
Yeah, and the money works for itself. 24. That's about 100-point turnaround to the upside in the NQ. These 5-minute bars candles are about 100-point range. ES 20-point range.
And you guys are right. Like all these businesses, especially if you look at like NVIDIA or Palantir or something, there's no question their businesses are crushing it. It's a matter of like, okay, what do we value that at? Because it's a lot right now. A lot.
Forward looking.
Yep.
Forward looking. $5 trillion.
Absolutely.
I'm short one micro in Q at 639, looking for that. I like the selling there off of. 1 second. I'm back. 680s. Yeah, I like that pivot off of 680s. I'm looking for the lows again.
639.
I don't want to see 680s or I'll cut it out.
Okay. You want to see your short or long?
See break under 600. Yeah, short one at 39.
Very good. 629 last trade. Yes, might be catching some sellers. Oh, buyers jump right back in. And it is thin. And then sellers this is wild.
It's jumpy. Froggy.
It is jumpy. It is jumpy. It's froggy. quote a price and then you blink and the price has jumped on you 15 points one way or another. Or buying in here in gold. Gold, they're going to run for the highs. 40.81 last trade in gold.
Fed Fund Tools changed, right? It's like now
Oh, yeah,
60%.
like-
It's like almost
No,
like 80.
it's like
Close to
80%.
8. It's getting close to 80. I don't know what changed.
Really?
The jobs report with something just the blink of an eye.
Jobs, but also
Wow.
just even though it's not what they're looking at, the general like the market's
Yes.
selling off. If the Nasdaq sells off 10% or something, it gives them. It's tougher to cut when asset prices are at all-time highs.
It's true. New highs gold, 40.84. Nice cover on the. When does the surprise drop? The surprise will drop. The announcement will drop in fast markets. Announcement will be arriving. Tune in for that. Pretty excited. You share that with everyone. We got 4,500 people watching all across the globe right now. We got Braden, we got Jack, got Dakota in the house. Please click subscribe, click like, click notify. You'd be so kind on the march to 200,000 subscribers here on Top Step TV. Pretty dang cool. Thank you in advance. Really appreciate it. And anything hitting today's fast markets? Yes, today's fast markets.
Mm. Yeah, I'm excited to hear what it is.
Very excited. Same. Very excited to hear what it is too. Surprise for everybody. What was the question? Today, yes, today, yes.
Monday.
Yep, Monday. Pretty much a 3-day trading weekend. Friday will be kind of, well, Friday's actually a normal trading day.
I won't be trading Friday, that's for sure.
A lot of people won't. Believe it or not, Jack knows someone, myself as well. An absolute fortune on the Friday after Thanksgiving.
Yeah,
you in the market.
Night. I'm gonna try and get him on the show at some point.
You should do it tomorrow, Thanksgiving night. Do it Thanksgiving night. Just do it.
Just slow markets.
Yeah, just you and your and your trading buddy, and pretty much you got the markets all to yourself. So, what they call fat orders, pickoffs come in that market. It's just you and that order.
We might be running back up to these highs.
Are we though? I mean, yeah.
I don't know. It's pretty choppy here.
Yes, it is.
It's just so volatile, but so indecisive.
I mean, if you want to scalp 20 points,
it's good for scalp.
Scalper's paradise. VIX is holding above 22.
Okay. Market's just trying to find his footing right now. Maybe the market's waiting for the announcement. I don't blame it. The market's probably waiting for the Top Step TV. I mean, if the market wants to cooperate when we do announce, if the market wouldn't mind just staying, range bound, that'd be cool.
You guys see what Jensen said about the earnings? Or I guess
what, save the world.
Yeah, but it was like two parts of it. Like, as much as you can feel for Jensen, it was basically like, well, every time I give great earnings and I'm fueling the AI bubble, I give terrible earnings and the world ends. It's like, what do you want me to do? I design chips.
If it missed earnings, if it missed earnings, it would be a bubble.
If he beats earnings, he's fueling the bubble.
That's
if
right.
If he misses earnings, the music stops.
Tough problem. What a
burden.
Here we go. Look at that move.
Woo. And move indeed. Back up to the highs. Not quite there. Approaching though. About 20 points to go in the NQ. 24,700. Last trade there. 20 points to go. Look at the ES. 8 points to go from the buyers. And we make new highs. NQ certainly looks like it wants to go there. On that price, the highs are 24,722. 10 points to go. And seller.
Okay.
What is it? I can't read.
You're no longer
I
the
don't
driver.
know.
You're the showmaster.
No, I don't like that. It's even
Showmaster.
Shogun.
Shogun.
Shogun. Check. We might be going
Showmaster
for.
MQ.
Stop it. Come on, NASDAQ. Can we do it? Can we get to those highs?
Broadcom up 7.5%. Still NASDAQ slightly red. Microsoft is scratch. The rest is red
up
or green.
5.4%. You know, the flip side of the kind of doubts coming to NVIDIA has been Google, which has more than doubled since the April lows, where people suddenly went from AI is going to destroy search to, holy yes, Google has an ad business like Facebook, a self-driving business like Tesla, an AI business like that, and makes their own chips. Let's go.
Yeah,
New highs.
New highs. I like it reluctantly wanted to make new highs, but it did indeed in the NQ. 24,732.
That was just a pullback to buy.
Yeah.
Dolby's gone one day. Did Dolby leave Top Step? No. It's Thanksgiving week. There's a number of people off. JD,
really?
Dolby, Hogue.
Dolby not leave top. New highs. This is the NASDAQ. ES, look at about 5 points to go.
Or if he did, I'm learning about it right now.
Same.
Rough way to learn.
It's like in sports when a player finds out they're traded by, on Twitter. Not from the boss, not from the GM, but on Twitter they find out they're traded. New highs NQ 24,738. Now 741s. Yes, not quite there yet. About 4 points to go for those new highs. MBT turnaround. Chicago Bears are 8-3, Jack. We'll talk about that later.
They are 9-3 since my twins were born and undefeated against the Packers.
We're so good.
Talk about a bubble.
We're good.
I short that.
Hey
man, half their defense was out.
We're so good. I don't care what anyone says. 24,745 last trade. I don't care. We're good.
There's no good teams in the NFL this year, Dakota. Like some team that should win is going to win it. Might as well be us.
First place.
8-3.
We're gonna get a bye. We're gonna get a bye in the playoffs. Are you kidding me? 24,749. So wild. ES within 2.5 points of new session highs. Those highs were made pretty much first 15 minutes of the New York session. And Q, a much better job pushing higher here. What? FDIC hitting us with some headlines. I can't remember last time I read FDIC headline, but higher bank profits are due to net interest income growth and lower provision expenses. Net income at U.S. banks rose 13.5% in Q3. That's much greater than the interest rate.
Broadcom now up 8%. You'd think it's a small cap stock.
Cooking.
You know, I just paid for one of those fancy AI tools. I think I'm finally going to figure out what it is Broadcom does. I've been avoiding it for a long time.
We quote the hell out of their prices.
Is this an AI bubble? You're now paying for AI, Jack.
Yeah, but I'm paying it from my company, Google.
And Q trying.
New session highs.
Yeah. I'll give it to you. 24,007. There it is. New session highs. And QES Yep. Yes. New session highs 66.87 half. 87 half. And there goes the NQ. Ray, did you flat? Did you get out of that trade?
Yeah, I got out of that trade.
All right. Nice.
Man, that was a pullback to buy.
I guess. Yeah. We'll see if this. Are we convinced? Are we convinced about this push higher here? We got 73% long in the tilt in the ES, 76% long in the tilt in the NQ.
Nvidia green, up 0.5%.
Every time they touch these highs. Oh, wow. Gold cooking again, pushing higher here. 40.88. New highs.
Did you guys see we just recently got a new Trill Dog company? This time not out of Silicon Valley, but out of Indianapolis, Indiana. Eli Lilly.
Huh? Really?
Eli Lilly.
Mm-hmm.
Trillion. In the club, man.
First pharmaceutical. They're a trillion on the dot.
I don't know if is that a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know.
I mean, it's good if you got psoriasis, I guess.
Yeah, I was like, well, why are they making so much money? All right.
ETFD.
Yeah, MBT turned right back around, looking at call it a 1,200 point turnaround. So Dakota, you saw this price action here in the first 35 minutes. Now you like buying the dip. Look, there we go.
Yeah. It's just everything's green.
I got short there 730 on the breakdown. I'm short 2 micros.
Okay. Not
looking to see how aggressive this pullback gets. That's kind of what I'm basing it on. If we start to see some more momentum to the downside, maybe I'll add into it, but let's just see.
ES pulled back about 6 points, 7 points now off those highs. ES was very reluctant to make those new session highs. Took 1, 2, 3 tries to really go tag those. And gold continuing to cruise higher now. 40.88 half. Last trade. Short 2, Braden. Do you have a downside target for a trade like this, or you just got to kind of watch what the market's giving you, read the ladder, read the time sales, and get out? Or
I feel confident every time this market rallies, we kind of see like at least meaningful enough retracements. You can make some money on the short side. So just getting short whenever I start to see it roll over. And then, I'm just going to watch price action. To me, if this starts to pick up momentum, maybe we sell back into kind of the opening range. Right now, I want to see it break a 700. Just kind of watching price action, though.
Okay. Oh, really? All right. Well, let's take a look. I got a couple live funded traders with us right now. Braden and Dakota, house account as well. Chopping it up, profitable so far this New York session. We got a couple more live funded traders putting up some pretty dang good numbers in this Monday. Moses up 17. What is going on with some of these? Well done, Moses. We've had Moses. We've had Abraham. We've had Chris. We have a Jesus. All putting up big numbers last couple of weeks. Up 17,000. Moses, well done. Quentin up $10,000. Seen that name a lot lately. Well done. We'll check back in with these numbers, these P&Ls throughout the day. Job well done.
Nice.
These names are pretty cool. Feel free to come on Top Step TV. If we can get all 4 of them on at the same time, that would be incredible.
Oh yeah.
Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Christ.
The Old Testament hour.
I mean, that would be wild. 66.83. 83 last trade in ES. And Q.
I'm going to add another one there short. I'm short 724.3, looking for the breakdown to 700 right now. So I'll look to cover some on it.
Okay, sounds good. Last trade 7.
Added one more.
Oh, man, it's all you, man. It's all you. Heading to a winner. New highs gold, 40.89 now. Yes, trading 66.79, 10 points off. The highs there. Buyers in the house for gold, closing on 40.90 now. Anything hitting the wire here? There's an announcement today. There is an announcement today. Yes, fast markets. It will be coming to you.
Nice trade.
Thank you.
Did you add to it?
Only when I told you I was in 4. Now I'm covering in the 60s.
Well done. Nice conviction, man. You guys are trading quite well. Yes, selling off also 66.72. 71's print.
Let's go 640s here.
All right. 25 points to go to get to those 640s in the NQ. 24,671. Last trade. I'll take a look at that NQ ladder. Very thin.
They mentioned VIX is down to 2186.
Speaking of the VIX, Jack, we always talk about looking for VIX in the 20s, looking for VIX in what price in the VIX does really catches your attention, Jack? Like, it's in the 20s right now. Obviously, we don't see it up here that much, but as we approach 30s, you really ooh, something's cooking.
Well, anything above 20 is pretty volatile. Above 30 that's really volatile. Once you get to above 40 and above, that usually is driven by something. It seems like we can't really put our finger on what's going on right now. If the VIX is above 40, you know damn well what's happening.
Yeah. Can't really put our finger on what's happening. Look at that.
Ooh, something hit the wire.
Well, did it? It's just
Was it the
yeah,
wire?
well,
felt like it.
I mean, it's pretty typical of what we saw. That was the same move up that we saw in the breakdown. It's just it's quick.
We were
I almost want to get short again, but let's not.
We were walking it lower. And the NQ,
can't seem to leave a runner on in this market at the moment.
No, you really can't.
Well, it turned around right at those overnight highs, that 66.50 in the SPX.
Sure. Okay. Yeah, Dakota, maybe something did hit, but right now I cannot find it. It's very thin on this ladder. And as it was just trading around 24,670, 664s. Buyers jumped in and just popped it 50 points higher in the NQES. Same story there. Trading right around 66.70. Buyers came in and popped it up to 66.84 in the blink of an eye. Like Braden was saying, you can't. You blink and the market is jumpy. It's jumpy right now. It's a good way to describe it, Braden. At the bottom of the hour,
Dallas Fed, at 9:30.
There's gonna be more push higher here in gold. Gold up 20 bucks in the last 30 minutes or so. New highs in gold, 40.90. Wow.
Short one at 723. Looking to test those 660s again.
723.
How did if we just run back to the highs?
New highs gold. 40.91. Jack, to your point, we really can't put our finger on what any hypothesis. I mean, theories as to why. Mine was no rate cuts.
That's what I was going to say first. Is just uncertainty as far as the direction of the monetary policy, and people were thinking a lot more cuts, and I think that's what kind of hit Bitcoin, as we were talking about, along with MicroStrategy not really buying like they used to. A lot of leverage. I think you could even call it just a lot of leveraged longs that have not been tested at all. As we mentioned, until this most recent drawdown, we hadn't closed more than 3% below the all-time highs since like May. So basically, if you were leveraged long, you were never really being tested.
You weren't. 40.92 new highs gold.
Interest rate cuts should be bullish for gold. So
weaker dollar, no.
Right back down.
New 5, yeah, and then sellers just slam on it. I'm talking about equities here.
When's that
Bitcoin's
last
still
meeting? December
struggling.
10th?
Nice, yeah. I buy high and sell low. Nah, nice chill day. I know, right? Nice chill day. This is I'm whipping around right now.
Yeah, Bitcoin's still struggling, but the equities are doing good.
Bitcoin, I mean, Bitcoin trading 86,415. Gold, the only thing really kind of finding a direction, clean direction that is. Look at the 5-minute chart. I'm sure some of the traders be like, yeah, clean my. But yeah, it's grinding higher here.
Well, some people took some real leverage heat there. Unlike the stocks, I mean, Bitcoin right now is off like 32% from the highs and dipped as low on that puke last week down to like 36% off the highs. So that's a different range of pain.
Yeah, I know. I knew that was going to come out wrong. Hover around the highs. In the equities. Okay.
Added another one there for my short. I'm 2 micros at 726.
726.
Starting to reject lower prices under the highs here. I've seen some rejection at 750s. Looking for the turnover. Sell back under 700s and see if we can go test the 60s again. 660s.
They are coming in about 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Jot down those initial balance high, initial balance low prices. I don't think those are set just yet. What's initial balance high, initial balance low? Those that are tuning in for the first time, first of all, welcome. Pops Up TV, initial balance high. Basically, hello. That's Jack. That's Braden. That's Dakota. Basically, you're talking the first hour of to the New York session, bottom of the hour. Basically, just jot down the highest price traded and the lowest price traded in the first hour of the New York session. Kind of work off of that. Some ranges, some levels, if you will. I don't think those prices are in quite yet.
Probably to the downside, but who knows?
Yeah, unless we get a scarf and barf. If we get the scarf and barf, then we got new low. So it's the beauty of these markets. Right now, Braden short 2. Dakota waiting.
Yeah, we're at the point of chill.
Anything else? I mean,
watching.
I don't know. I'm looking for any headlines. Nothing right now. Micro Bitcoin kind of grinding lower here. 86,175 last trade. Session highs 86,750. So about 600 bucks off the highs there.
Damn it, I was in that.
Yeah.
Nice trade again.
You
shorting these markets.
Thank you.
Brid?
I'm just saying, I'm like watching the P&L, and I'm like, man, you can make so much money with 1 or 2 micros in this market.
I know.
I mean, just like that.
I could go buy a laptop right now with, it's
really
bad. Yeah, we're up $200-$300 right now. Not a good laptop, but
I was gonna say, what laptop? You can't even get your Meta glasses for that amount. What laptop are you getting? You got to get those, man. Come on, you're committed to it. That's part of this. One day.
I went. No, I did. I did go get my eyes tested and at like an eye center, and they had glasses there. They didn't have the metas, but I did try them on. I just honestly cannot rock the glasses. Look,
Well,
I
let the
just look
chat decide. Let the chat
funky.
decide that, Bray. We'll let you know if you can or you can't.
Yeah, I wore glasses full time until like 12 years ago when I got LASIX. Maybe they'll make a return at some point.
Wow.
Yeah.
What's up? Where's Leon been? I miss you, Leon. I'm awfully quiet. I like when Leon is.
I like this short or pullback.
Goodness.
This is a good location.
I'm holding bid just a bit. I think I'm jotting down some IB low prices, Jack. We'll see.
Oh, I think we'll be good. We do have the Dallas Fed at the bottom of the hour, right
Yes,
as the
we
initial
do.
balance closes.
Yes, we do. We got an order in here.
Around
Yeah, 500 lot
60,
downside. 66.76 bid 500 times in the ES. About 9 points lower right now. Sorry about that, Jack.
if we get up to around 6,700 in the futures, that's where there could be some options resistance in that
Okay.
area. Up to, once again, I'm just looking at that big green line for the 50-day SMA in the SPX.
I want to see a pullback to buy it.
Moved up from 70s to 80s now. 66.80 in the ES bid 500 times. Moved up 4 points. 76 now up to 80s, about 4 points lower than that 500 lot in the ES. First, somewhat decent sized order. We'll see if it does want to get actually filled. I'm closing in on it here.
Hoop is cattle. I guess cattle was limit down.
Wow. Is that what he said?
Is it?
Yeah, I don't think I can pull that up in my live account. But if someone can, I don't know if it's still closed because I can't see the chart, but you can see
Limit up or down?
Down, and there's 2,500 contracts on the offer when Hoop said this to me like 4 minutes ago.
Oh man, then I'm gonna have to get through a lot of size to open that thing back up. Another push higher here. Yes, trade 66.85. Sorry, stay patient, Harrison. I can't do much of this. Stay patient. Stay patient. Market will find its way. Still on a Friday. Wait.
Cattle is
Finally.
down.
Oh. Nasdaq trading 24,072. No, okay.
I'm adding another one here. I'm in 3 now at 722, looking for the break of 700s.
722.
Trying to add in for this. I mean, we've tested it at this point. You want to see it break. We've tested it enough times. Otherwise, I need to accept that we're in a range and probably just wait for another opportunity. So I'm looking for the breakdown now.
Let's get it.
Break even here.
Yes, that order was filled.
Look at this 5 minute to flip red under 700. I'm break even at 722. Here's a quick little move. 96. Looking for the 80s.
This is wild.
This might go here. By go, I mean go nowhere.
They got to really. The sellers are giving it a shot. Buyers keep coming back in and saying not so fast. Looks like they finally may succeed. The sellers, that is 66.76 in the ES.
Ooh, we're looking heavy now.
It is.
We're looking a little bit heavy. I'm holding this for 670s.
All right. Just like that, they will not let it just. Well, let me just go 66. I'm sorry, 24,700. Right back to it. My goodness.
Little retest.
Uh-huh.
Needs to reject 700s to the upside now if we're going to break under this range.
Sometimes
so far, so good.
Yeah, Brain, sometimes those retests give you more conviction in your shorts, right? If you can't, damn, I spoke too soon.
Well, they give you something to trail your stop. They give you a spot to trail your take profit, right, or your
correct
your stop
Your
profit.
stop loss.
Yep. Wow.
Other than that, I think we'd all just want the trade to immediately dive bomb. You know.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. Ideally.
Yeah, you don't want the retest. Ideally, you know,
You don't want it, but if you do get in and it does hold and it validates, then it does give you a valid spot to put your stop at.
Conviction in your shorts. Yes. Well, what do I mean by that? I didn't see what they're doing. Are you doing a play on words there? I see what you're doing. 24,000.
Always good. No,
I see what they're doing. Clever. I love the chat. Come on, chat. Bring in the heat. You guys were savages last week.
I imagine. That must have been a wild day on Thursday.
Absolutely fired up. 1,000-point sell-off. 1,000-point sell-off on nothing.
Where'd you cover the NVIDIA straddle, Dakota?
Friday. I got 80% profit on it. Not full, but
nice.
NVIDIA was trading right at like 80, I think like 88. I'll have to go back and check. Feels like it was so long ago.
Yeah,
Every day.
I know. Lots has happened since then. Well, Ken Griffin was happy about that one.
A couple more 500 lots in the bid in the ES. Couples, they're stacked. We got 6672 bid 500 times. We have 6670 bid 550 times as well. Two separate 500 lots, almost 600 lots. About 10, 12 points lower right now. See if they want to chase and move up. It's in the ES.
VIX session lows.
Okay. Buyers jumping in the ES
I can see
right
this
now.
market going test 800s. NASDAQ 24,800s.
Yep. Can't break lower, right? So
well,
we just continue fine buying.
Looks like the ES now wants to be the first to move higher and print some new session highs. The first time around was the NASDAQ that really pushed it. Well, let's see what it does first. Woohoo! Which market will make new session highs first? NASDAQ has about 20 points to go. ES about 1.5 to go. ES trading 66.87. There's no one else moving here. Looks like it wants to do it on this go. Nope. Sellers say not so fast. Man, oh man, oh man.
This range.
Uh-huh. Okay, I think initial balance high. Well, can't get those.
And Dallas Fed manufacturing.
Yeah, you've been all about this Dallas Fed, Jack.
You know, any port in a storm, Andre. Late economic schedule.
Yep. Philly Fed used to be a big one back in the day. I remember we had to stop for Philly Fed. And now Dallas Fed 6, 7 ES. 20 seconds to the top of the hour. I'm sorry, bottom of the hour, not the top. Bottom of the hour. Initial balance lows do look like they are in for the ES and the NASDAQ. Chat, I'll be asking you for some help on what these initial balance high and low prices are. Okay, it looks like we got them in. All right, chat, ES, what do we got? Chat, ES, what are those initial balance high and low prices? I think I got them in. I'll run it by Jack. He has the answer key. Jack did teach GMAT class once, so he knows how to. He does know how to.
My reviews were terrible.
I would love to see those. What's up, Brain? What'd you get in there?
I'm short again at 725, looking for the breakdown through 700s.
Okay.
I'll stop it if this just leaves a wick on the 5-minute, then continues to test the high day.
All righty. Initial balance high. What do we got? All right. Jack, I have initial balance high in the ES 6689. All right.
Correct.
Just adding.
I got low at 6646.75. 46.75. That count?
That's a gold star for Andre.
Yeah. Yes. I'll give you a 5-star review. What's your position now, Braden? How many short?
7-2. Two micros at 721.
721. Pretty good.
And it's
Go.
doing the flip now.
We got for NQ initial balance high 24,769.75. I got the low initial balance low at 516.75. Check my math, chat. Make sure I didn't screw that up. Lower. Yep. So basically, what we're gonna do, our next half hour, we're gonna see how we react to those prices. Obviously, we're trading around the highs in the equities right now. We're gonna go test those IB highs. Perhaps if we can't get through them, see what changes there. With that, thank you, Hoop. Yes, sorry, got the thumbs up from Hoop as well. All right, so here we go. We've got it's a new week, 3-day week, kind of 3.5-day trading week, if you will. So that means another tip